Okay. I had done ayahuasca 11 months ago, before in Peru with a different place, and it was good for me. It made a big transformation. I came this year to Arkana, and I guess the best way to explain it is, if I sat down before I came and got to write down what I wanted and was able to ask for anything at all, I could not have come up with what I received. I had no idea I could have received something so wonderful. I had a lot of loss in my life. People pass on, and it came in a very short period of time. Lots of loss, and that doesn't bother me now. It feels good. What I got here has brought me deep peace and comfort, and took away my fear in how things are and how things are going and how things will go. I just don't have fear about the future. And if you're thinking about coming here, I can't imagine a better place to go. It's important. It's a great place. The way it's operated is just amazing. It's very deeply real and spiritual, and being in a group helps facilitate it even more, and it's beyond words, actually. Thank you.